just fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win at life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
Hi, this is Anindita and welcome to Ratna's RoboLab. This is Arduino's tutorial 8 and if you have not watched the other tutorials, the link will be in the description box. Also, if you want to know what is Arduino, that link will also be provided in the description box. Today in this video, we will be discussing about how to control a servo motor. A servo motor has 3 wires: ground, signal and power. The power wire is typically red and should be connected to 5-volt pin on the Arduino board. The ground wire is typically black or brown and should be connected to ground pin on the Arduino board. And the signal wire is typically yellow or orange and should be connected to pin 9 on the Arduino board. Now let's see how sweep and knob example works in servo motor. In sweep example, the shaft of a RC servo motor moves back and forth across 180 degree. In knob example, the position of a RC servo motor is controlled by a potentiometer and an Arduino. The potentiometer should be wired so that its 2 outer pins are connected to power and ground and the middle pin is connected to analog input 0 on the board.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.
तब तक के लिए जय हिंद। और वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ यार लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब तो बनता है ना, सब्सक्राइब कर दो।